gentlemen, this is Motivated 3x3 Season 4 All-Stars. Let us welcome here inside the court, Team Doggy!
Handa ka na ba? Makita mga idol nyo, handa na sila. Magbakbakan at manalo sa laro. Motivated 3x3. Liga na mga sikat. Motivated 3x3. Sino bang mananatili malakas? Motivated 3x3.
And let us welcome their opponent. Make some noise for Team Boss GK!
Mga idol nyo, handa na sila. Magbakbakan at manalo sa laro. Motivated 3x3. Liga na mga sikat. Motivated 3x3. Sino bang mananatili malakas? Motivated 3x3.
Alright, this is our next game. Team Doggy and Team GK, you have 1 minute to warm up before we start this influencers category of our Motivated 3x3 Season 4 All-Stars.
At magpapatuloy po ang ating Influencers Cup dito sa ating Motivated 3x3 Season 4 All-Star. We continue on with this matchup.
This is the battle between Team Doggy and Boss GK. We can remember Team Doggy, or both these teams coming from a loss against their previous assignments.
Oo, kailangang i-refresh yung ating screen ngayon. Yung problema nga lang nung Boss GK ngayon is, nung Team GK is, pagod si Boss GK, syempre, si kakalaro GK lang.
Oo. Medyo namasahe siya dun ni Jerwin Gaco eh. Definitely, yung exhaustion is a big factor para dito kay Boss GK.
Traveling yung itatawag dyan. Siyempre naghahanap po tayo nung kung sino nga ba yung aabante sa ating finals ng Influencers Cup. Nakilala na po natin kung sino yung nagkampiyon sa Business Cup tsaka sa Content Creators Cup.
Of course, ito yung ating main event. Kanina naman, yung exhibition game between PBA Moto Club and Team Motivated. Isa yon sa mga pinaka-inaabangan.
Oo naman.
And ito kung sino, how this tournament will develop here in this night. Isa rin yan sa mga aabangan kung ang magba-back-to-back champions ba ang Team Flip Phenomenal Soul o may bagong magkakampyona at maghahari dito sa Motivated 3x3. 4-1 is the score. 8:48 remaining here in this game. Kind of perfectly matched up itong dalawang koponan natin in terms of height, no, and skill level.
Daming fans
Wala dun si RJ Deles. Both of these players, yung nagbantayan doon, si CES Gaming at saka si MCT Hoops, both played collegiate basketball. Itong si MCT Hoops is currently playing for University of Luzon. Dun yan sa Pangasinan, habang si CES Gaming naman played for the PCU Dolphins.
PCU, dami rin ginawang players dyan, no? Dami rin umabot sa PBA.
That is correct.
First, maybe the most popular would be Jason Castro, right?
Bo Belga,
yep.
Gabi Espinas.
Grabe yung banggaan dun sa gitna. To shoot. Nabitawan ba? Mukhang oo, pero hindi rin naman pumasok yung tira. Fly by, short. Yung 2-point shot.
Some jitters para dito kay Yawi. Nung nakausap natin siya, medyo tagal daw niyang walang laro. So definitely, baka meron pang konting jitters, meron pang tanggal kalawang para factor dito si Yawi.
Tatlo na yung binibitawan niya dyan, ha? Pangatlong dos na yan. All from the same corner. Itong si MGT Hoops.
Well, he's known for that. We've covered him nung sa NCRAA, dun sa collegiate league ng kasali ang University of Luzon. And he's one of the catalysts ng team na yon.
Ganda ng pasa.
Great set up.
Sayang nga lang, pumasa pa itong si Deles. Gustong pagbigyan muna yung mga kakampi niya, syempre.
Siguro medyo nag-iingat na rin to si RJ Deles ngayon. No? Kanina medyo napag-initan nga siya ng ating mga referees after 3 to 4 offensive fouls, if I'm not mistaken, if my memory serves me right.
Sinasabi niya lang kanina, basta hindi ako yung nauuna. Yun lang yung importante sa kanya.
I never instigate, sabi nga ni RJ Deles.
Pero nung pagkatapos siya naisahan, 4 yung ginanti niya. Ganun lang yun.
Basta ang importante,
hindi siya mauuna.
Hindi siya ang nauna.
Kaya umpisahan nyo, tatapusin ko. Yan yung mensahe mula kay RJ Deles.
Just don't start anything. So some discussion right now. Offensive foul daw.
Deles titira sa labas.
He's been
Short.
cold. These past 2 games, wala pa siyang naipupukol sa labas.
Can make it from time to time, pero hindi talaga yun yung focal point ng opensa niya.
Maybe there's a factor ng pagod dahil kaninang umaga pa sila naglalaro dito. We can remember na unang mga naglaro kaninang umaga yung Business Cup. And nakailang laro din sila doon. 3, I believe. 3 laro kanina and then 1 in the semifinals, 1 finals.
Tos mula kay Yawi.
And this player Yawi, he played for the UST Tiger Cubs nung siya'y high school. Surprised na wala pa si Doggy dito.
Hindi pa pumapasok. Yun, pumasok din.
Finally, right on cue. Wala, di pa daw pala pagod. We love to be proven wrong as commentators.
RJ Deles aatake.
RJ Deles says enough is enough. Kanina pa ako nanlalamig. Tried to force the issue. Yawi. Hilapit, dinrap. That is good. 3 lamang dito ng Team Doggy. Boss GK against Yawi. He fades. And he won't make it this time. Kanila pa rin ang bola. Boss GK reload. Overshoots that one. RJ Deles against MCT Hoops. The matchup we've been waiting for. And RJ Deles flexing his muscle after that shot.
Big boy move. Bully ball. Na kay RJ Deles, dinala dun sa baseline. Binangga, inulit. Inabsorb yung contact. Tapos end 1 pa siya ngayon. Nandito sa free throw line.
Iba talagang veterano. MCT Hoops, probably mga 22, 23. He still has 2 years left to play in college for University of Luzon. Habang si RJ Deles naman, hinog na sa mga ganitong klaseng competition. Mid-range jumper won't go. Barry Allen has it. He steps into a 2. That won't work. MCT Hoops thought about it. Ooh. a James Harden-esque shot.
Kanina pa siya tumitira ng ganyan eh.
Sometimes he makes it, sometimes he doesn't. There's no harm in trying after all. Deles. Now to Barry Allen. I'm wondering kung Barry Allen ba talaga yung pangalan niya. No? We all know Barry Allen is the Flash. Yun yung pangalan ni Flash. We'll check later kung yun talaga yung pangalan niya.
Pero hindi na iyang dalin dun sa ilalim, no? Yung opensa niya.
Protein God, instant replay. That power move galing kay Barry Allen. Plus the foul and he converts on the 2-point play. MCT, all about it.
Nabantay sarado na siya dito dahil siya lang talaga yung kumakarga sa opensa nila.
That follow-up. You know, that is also your duty as a teammate ni CES Gaming, no? Na rebound, bumax out. Deles inside. The reverse won't go. Shot clock violation para sa team ni Boss GK.
2.5 minutes na lang natitira dito. Tight contest. Bagsak yung defender. Di na kompleto yung highlight.
MCT Hoops, after knocking down a couple of 2-pointers, has gone cold habang si Barry Allen naman nagsisimulang uminit dito sa laro.
Panglamang. 13-12. Abante sila ngayon.
Kyle Ives, the broski, taking it strong against Barry Allen. So itong player na to, si Kyle Ives, naglaro na to ng Season 1, Season 2. Hindi siya nakapaglaro ng Season 3 and malik siya ngayong Season 4. He was a champion noong Season 1. RJ Deles, last 2 minutes na tayo. Deles, the fake, the turn, and the make.
Ano talaga eh, no? Big man skills yung pinapakita sa atin itong si RJ Deles.
Miscommunication on the part of Team Doggy. Barry Allen, gustong pamagain yung kalamangan ng team ng Boss GK.
Opo, may napas lang na butiki doon sa kanto.
Barry Allen, susubok na naman. Not this time.
Heat check.
You can't blame him for that shot. He's made a couple already. That's what you want to see from MCT Hoops after being cold on the outside. Try to take it strong to the cup. That is good para kay MCT Hoops. CES Gaming now. Deles sets the pick. CES Gaming being heavily guarded by MCT Hoops. CES Gaming, nothing there.
Yung pakiramdam mo dito sa laro, kontrolado nitong koponan ni Doggy. Tapos biglang lamang na ngayon ng tatlo. Koponan ni Boss GK, even without him helping out too much dahil pagod pa nga, nagre-recover pa siya.
Medyo masakit naman kasi talaga sa katawan kalaban ng PBA Moto Club. But Barry Allen says, no problem. He's been carrying the weight of his team on his shoulders.
Oo, nung uminit na siya mula sa 12, doon na nagbago yung iip ng hangin dito sa ating laro. Deles, kill shot!
5-point lead para kina Boss GK. Time not in the favor of Boss Doggy's team. But MCT Hoops cuts the lead to just 3 points, but time is not on their favor once again. And a timeout has been called by Team Doggy. 21 seconds remaining here in this ball game. 3-point lead para sa Boss GK, 2017. Back into the action we go. Barry Allen, good intention, just bad execution.
Pero ngayon, dapat laruin mo ng konti yung orasan eh, no? Dahil 19 seconds na lang. The worst thing you could do is actually turn it over quickly. So burn some clock para hindi na makaganti pa yung kupunan ni Doggy.
Deles, the fade. That won't work. 11 seconds. Will that be enough to complete a comeback? Masyadong matagal yung nauubos na oras dito. They got the ball around 12-11 seconds. Nakatira sila 4 seconds na lang.
But may free throw na paparating dito.
Iisa nga lang yan.
Kailangan makaagaw dun sa pasa pa lang no? Para makahanap ka pa ng dos.
Perfect 3 seconds ang kailangan dito.
Tatakbuhan na lang sila nitong si Barry Allen at siya po magwawakas itong laban na to.
Boss GK's team, even without the services of their leader, Boss GK, still manages to come up with a win. Laban dito sa team ni Boss Doggy. Surprisingly, Carlo, yung resulta ng dalawang laro na ito ng team nila Doggy, 2 talo kaagad.
Kahit na dikit yung laban, nandun naman sila. Kaso yung ending, hindi nila nakukuha, hindi nila nasusolusyonan. Naging mainit nga yung 2-point shooting sa dulo ng kupunan na itong si Boss GK. Kaya naman na iba nila yung tema ng laro. From trailing, from much of it, bumulusok, umabante sila at sila nga yung mag-uuwi ng panalo kontra sa kupunan ni Doggy.
Uratex phone game highlights. Let's start over.
So, good start for you guys,
Escudero.
eliminations. Ano yung magiging mindset nyo heading into the next round?
Stay hungry lang lagi. Focus lang sa goal namin. Last season kasi nalaglag kami ng maaga. So, mindset namin is push hard sa finals po.
So, speaking of, nalaglag kayo last season, I'm sure may mga naging game plan kayo na nag-iba. Ano yun?
Ayun, number 1 is maging kampante sa tira, maging focus lang lagi. Tapos, syempre may mga bago kaming kasama. So, mas advantage kami dun.
Well, we're definitely looking forward to your next coming games. But before that, may gusto ka bang batiin or pasalamatan?
Thank you so much kay Boss GK, kay Boss Rendon, kay Boss MV, sa The Brothers Pitch. Thank you.
All right, once again, that was our best player of the game from Boss GK. Now let's turn it over to the court for the next game.